video I will show you how to create a mock rib stitch. Mock rib is a type of rib stitch, but the mock rib is only worked on one row. For this sample I'll be using 5mm needles and an Aran weight yarn. For the first row we alternate one knit and one purl stitch. So we knit one, bring the yarn through, purl, yarn back and knit. And on the second row we purl all the way across. And this is what our mock rib stitch will look like. You have your knit one, purl one stitches on the front and a purl on the back. This is a very easy way to create an interesting texture to your work.